First, we will use a plastic trim remover tool and we'll take out the plastic cover inside the door handle. Once the cover is pulled out, notice right there is a screw that we will take out using a Phillips screwdriver. Screw is out. Besides the window switch, there is a cover that we need to take out, and underneath the cover there is one more screw that also needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. Second screw is also taken out. Now using the trim remover tool, we will pull out the complete window switch cover. Once the cover is out, behind the window switch there are two plugs that needs to be taken out. Press and hold the tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. One plug is out, same way we will take out the second plug as well. Press and hold the tab in the middle and then pull the plug out. Both plugs taken out, with that it separates the complete switch cover. Now notice from this corner there's actually a spot where you can punch in your fingers, and while grabbing it from there we will pull the door panel outwards. There we were able to pull out the door panel from this side. Same goes for this side. Since we have pulled it a little bit, so it gives us a little room, so we'll just grab it and pull it again. Also pull the door panel from the middle. There you would see the door panel losing its grip. Also pull it out from the middle of other side. This side is also part of the door panel. We'll punch in the trim remover tool to pull this side out as well. Seems like that side is also pulled out. Now we will grab the door panel from both sides and then slightly lift it upwards until it completely comes out. Once the door panel is taken down, notice right there is the interior door handle side. Just grab it and then pull it outwards and it will completely pop out. It actually does come out completely. You don't have to take out both the harness that's part of it. It actually comes out as a one piece just like that. That wraps up the takeout of the complete door panel. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.